Hello friends, let's get into this blend. We have the color 4, 27, 30, and 613. You're going to use more of the color 4, more of 27, less of the 30 and the 613. Hopefully that makes sense if you can see from looking here. So you're going to pull the hair apart and then you're going to lap the hair on top of each other. You're going to continue to do this same motion over and over again till the hair is blended to your liking. You're going to pull it apart and take the other half and put it on top of the half that's already in your hand, if that makes sense. And this is how I hold it when I'm ready to brush it, to do this motion to make sure the hair isn't stretching too far and that the ends get really, really thin. You're going to do this motion repetitively, like I said, just putting the hair on top of the other hair. And wherever you see a color that's standing out more, that's what I'm pointing out, you want to go ahead and pull right in that part so that you can make sure the hair is evenly distributed. So with the 30, it's a color that really stands out. So you will see a few times in the video where I'll point to the blend of the 30, the red hair standing out a lot, and making sure I go right in that spot and break that part up so that no color is standing out more than the other. And right now I'm pausing for the call so you can see how the blend is already blending, honey. It's already coming together. So right here is where I'm pointing out the red is standing out, and I'm going to break up exactly where it's standing out so that it blends well. Hope that makes sense. It's one of those things where you just have to watch it, and once you start playing with the hair and mixing it, you will get a feel for, okay, I think I'm done. This is mixing well. You just want to make sure that each braid has each color in it, if that makes sense. No braid is just one exact color. And then I like to go in and do the finishing touches where I will cut the ends so that they're not super thin. I will also go in and do a light spray of oil sheen, and then I will brush the oil sheen through just to get the hair ready for someone to use it. And this just keeps the hair shiny and easy to maneuver. It's getting ready to be fall, so this is the perfect color for my brown girls, the perfect blonde. You will see here in a few minutes, I will show you how the hair looks when it's braided. It will look very similar as a twist. And you guys let me know, what other colors do you want to see? I will be working on some more fall color blends for brown girl friendly.
Work that chair, do the damn thing, all I wanna hear is you say daddy's home, oh, home for me. And I know you've been waiting for this love, yeah. Your daddy's home, it's time to play, yeah. Now baby, you ain't gotta give my loving away.
Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel to make sure you catch the next blend, and let me know how you're liking this one. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed, and a magical day, and I will see you in the next video.